Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, Internal Security. Last lecture we have seen terrorism. Means in terrorism we have seen about the guerrilla warfare and guerrilla tactic. Means guerrilla warfare and guerrilla tactic, it is totally different from each other. Means in guerrilla tactic they create the panic in the society, and guerrilla warfare, it is a systematic warfare. Okay, now today we are going to learn some of the example of international terrorist attacks. See, first example, attack in the United States, popularly called the 9/11 attack, where terrorists use airplanes to destroy American targets in New York, means World Trade Center, and Washington DC, Pentagon, on 11 September 2001. Means it is the attack in the United States, means where there is a popular World Trade Center in New York. Means that attacks happen on 9/11, and that's why this attack known as 9/11 attack. Okay, it is a American world famous World Trade Center which is in New York. Okay, and also attack on Washington DC, Pentagon. Washington DC, Pentagon is a headquarter building of the United States. It is a headquarter building of United States, and means which is Department of Defense in America. Okay, means Department of Defense building. It is Pentagon, and the shape is like a pentagon, and that's why it's known as Pentagon. This attack happened on 11 September 2001. Next is in 2005 there were a series of terrorist suicide bomb attacks at Bali, Indonesia. Bombs exploded at two tourist sites in the Jimbaran Beach Resort and in Kuta, both in South Bali. Means it is South Bali. Bali is the part of Indonesia. In that part, it is a state in Indonesia. In that state, means South Bali, south part of the state, there is a means beaches, which is Jimbaran Beach and Kuta Beach. On that beach, that means in 2005 there happened the terrorist suicide bomb attack. Okay, terrorist suicide bomb attack means आत्मघात की हल्ला. ओके, मतलब जो भी जिसके जो भी मतलब अतिरेकी वो करते हैं वही उससे बॉम्ब जुड़ा हुआ होता है और वही जाना जाता है सुसाइड बॉम्ब अटैक. Then next is in 2015 there were 3 suicide bombers that struck during a football match in the city of Paris in France in 2015. Means like this way same means suicide bomb attack happen in football when there is a football match in city of Paris in France. Okay. This was followed by several mass shooting and suicide bombing at cafe and restaurant. Means that time it's happened in the several cafe and restaurant in the part of Paris near the football ground. Okay. And next is attack. In 2017 an attack took place on the London Bridge in United Kingdom when a van left the road and struck a number of pedestrians. Means that attack happened on London Bridge. It is in United Kingdom, means England. Okay. When a van, means that van left the road where there was a bomb in the van, and that van left on the road and struck a number of pedestrians. Pedestrian means जो भी रास्ते के बाजू में बैठते बेचने के लिए सेलर्स. ओके, उस पे means number of pedestrians were killed there. After the van crash, the terrorists ran to the nearby Borough market area and began stabbing people in and around a restaurant and pub. Means after that attack, the terrorists they ran away nearby the Borough market. Means it is a market in England, London, and began stabbing people. Began stabbing people means they began use the blunt tools or sharp tools to stab the people and around restaurant and pub. Where there is a people in restaurant, pubs, they and where there is a people in the market, they start to means to beat them with the sharp tools. Okay, like this way, these are the example of international terrorist attacks. Then next is some examples of terrorist activities in India. Now India, some terrorist activities in India. Attack on the Indian Parliament on 13 December 2001. It is attack on Indian Parliament. Happened in 13 December 2001. 5 heavily armed terrorists allegedly belong to terror group Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Muhammad attacked the Parliament complex in New Delhi and opened fire indiscriminately. Means this attack happened the terrorist organization. Means they made by this means this attack happened by this Lashkar-e-Taiba organization, terrorist organization, and Jaish-e-Muhammad. Okay, means from these two organizations this attack happened on Parliament complex in New Delhi in 13 December 2001. Means they fire there indiscriminately. 5 armed terrorists, they fire there indiscriminately. Then next attack in Mumbai. On 26 November 2008, a series of terrorist attacks took place in Mumbai. Means 26 November 2008. Okay, means that attack happened in Mumbai. It is a series of attack because many places they try to destroy on this attack. Okay. The places where the attacks took place included the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Railway Terminal. It is the first place. Then second is Oberoi Trident. Third is Taj Mahal, Taj Palace Hotel. And next is Leopard Cafe. Next is Kama Hospital. Next is Nariman House. Next is Metro Cinema and some other places. Means these are the places where there means that Bombay attack happened. Means the terrorist attack on these places. They made the target to these places. The attacks were conducted by members of the Lashkar-e-Taiba and an organization based in Pakistan. Means this attack were conducted by the Lashkar-e-Taiba organization. Okay, means here also this parliament attack also made by this, conducted by this Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Muhammad, other organization, and this attack Mumbai on Lashkar-e-Taiba. Means this there is the मतलब वो जो लश्कर-ए-तैयबा है उसको पाकिस्तान का पट्टिम्बा है. पाकिस्तान उसको सपोर्ट करती है. पाकिस्तान इज सपोर्टेड टू द लश्कर-ए-तैयबा. Okay, and that's why the attack on they made this, conducted this attack on Indian Parliament and Mumbai. These are the example of terrorist activities in India. Okay, tomorrow we will learn the next part of the lesson. Okay.